Good evening, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Yesterday, I have completed group activities. Ma'am, previous slide. The now next one is the dynamic in future. Management adapts to change in technology, market conditions, customer preferences, and business environments to ensure the organization remains successful and competitive. So, this one is very much important, dynamic in nature. If you want to keep yourself in the market, anyone else, not only here, it's talking about the industry. Here is talking about the what you can say mm, uh, academics, or you can say any marketings, or you can say any business. But I'm not talking about only about this specific areas only. I'm talking about to ourselves only also. Okay, to keep yourself vibe, to keep yourself positivity, to keep yourself means enthusiastic. And if you want to retain in any industry, then you have to keep on learning. First of all, thing. Okay, whether you are doing any academics, whether you are in any academic field, whether you're working in any management, marketings, wherever you are working, you have to work on yourself. Then only you will be retained or sustained in the market. Otherwise you will be thrown out of you. I'm telling one best example of it. In my previous MBA students, I have shared the same example. Now I'm sharing the same example with you right now. One of the eminent professor was there, okay, in our college. I don't want to name that particular college. One of the most renowned professor was there, but he is a very good professor. He always punctual, be on time, always taking the classes, never ever going, means hardly any situation is there where he remain absent, where he remains absent. Okay, every day he used to take the class, very punctual, very dedicated. Oh, suppose if any one single student present in the class, he is very much delighted to take that class also. Such a dedicated professor he was. But as the days goes on, the new inventions, as the days goes on, when the artificial intelligence comes in the market, when there is a lot of changes going on in the market, especially technology related, he couldn't adjust himself in that particular scenario or in particular that environment. Suddenly what happened, he was been thrown out of that particular industry, that is academic industry. Why? Because he couldn't cope up himself, or he couldn't adjust himself, or he was very much unfit in that particular situation. Why? Because you have to take the classes in smart board, you have to use the projector, you have to present powerful PowerPoint presentations. Okay, and what he is doing, he is following the same culture and traditions, dictating in the classes, giving notes temporarily written on paper, taking the attendance, that too in an attendance register, writing everything on a chalkboard. He never used to use the marker also. Okay, he preferred chalk and duster also. So if you cannot keep yourself updated nowadays, then you are not fit to be retained in any industry. This is the make one of the most important thing. So dynamic in nature means you have to be adapt to the changes that coming on in the environment. Every day some new changes are coming on market. Every day there is some new inventions going on in the market. You have to know yourself, you have to know that things, you have to keep on changing those things, you have to adapt those things. Okay, how many of you, definitely you are using chat gpt, of course, but how many of you know the exact to how to give prompt to the chat gpt? 0.1%. Many of the students don't know how to write a prompt to chat gpts and all. So how much percent we are using ai? 0.001%. We don't know what chat gpts can do. Simple chat gpt I'm talking about. I'm not talking about claude, I'm not talking about napkins ai, I'm not talking about tornado ai, I'm not talking about paperpal, I'm not talking about quillboard, I'm not talking about turnitin. Lot of ai technologies are there, but how, we only know only one single name, that is ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? Simply whatever you want to know, nonsense, you write it down. The ChatGPT will going to reply you. The ChatGPT will going to answer you. Doesn't matter whether the whatever the answers that has been predicted in the ChatGPT, whether the is it in correct form or not. We don't know. We don't know that. Okay, this is the simple situation right now. Okay, so dynamic changes means you have to adopt the changes according to the technology, according to the market conditions, according to the customer preferences. Okay, so students also, the person working in any industry or any sector, if you want to grow yourself, अगर आप मार्केट में स्टे करना चाहते हो, ग्रो करना चाहते हो, then you have to keep yourself in a dynamic position. Then you have to keep yourself in a changing positions. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Such as, look at the example, a retail store starts online shopping services to meet changing customer demands. Yes, of course. We all are now busy with doing either window shopping or we are busy purchasing online. How many of people are right now, how many customers are there who prefer to buy or who prefer to go to any retail outlets, who prefer to go any market, who prefer to go any shopping malls to purchase things? No, not ever. Varieties, whatever the color, texture, price, each and everything you can get in Amazon, Flipkart, lot of means online shoppings are there. Okay, now groceries can be purchased from online. You can ask for big basket. Lot of things are there. Now people are very much familiar with online purchasing. They find themselves very much because offers are there, discount coupons are there. Okay, cut-off prices are there, such as, so for example, I'm giving you one most very important. Just now, the Amazon has launched 50% discount on every branded shoes or branded clothes just for the occasion of 15th August. Now, how many customers, if they maximum customers are operating this Amazon, they are purchasing from Amazon online purchase, then how many persons are there or how many customers are there who willing to go to the shopping malls to purchase all these things? No, they know everything. 50% discount on branded, that too branded qualities. So what the clever people are doing, they started to create an app. Through that particular app, they try to track those customers who prefer to buy online. जैसे आपको पता है अपना मार्ट, आप जानते हो अपना मार्ट, नाम सुने हो?
Yes, sir.
ये क्या लगता है, ये क्या कोई विदेशी कंपनी है?
No, sir.
ये एक अपना मार्ट जो है, ये एक चेन बिजनेस है. किसी झारखंड के ही एक पर्सन ने इस चेन बिजनेस को स्टार्ट किया है और छोटे छोटे शॉपिंग मॉल्स में अपनी दुकान भाड़े पे लिया और इस तरह से वो दुकान भाड़े पे, वो खुद दुकान भाड़े पे लिया, उसके बाद दूसरे को भाड़े पे चढ़ा दिया और इस तरह से वो एक चेन क्रिएट करके एक अपना मार्ट बन गया है. इट्स ऑल अबाउट अपना मार्ट बन गया है. ये एक लोकल है. आप अपना मार्ट अगर दूसरे साइड में खोजने के लिए जाएंगे, you will never ever going to find it out. What is Vishal Mega Mart? Vishal used to be having a small grocery shop, but he changed himself. He changed the tradition of the business. Vishal, he adopted the new technologies. He knew that after 5 to 10 years, this small business will not going to end up his needs. Whatever the requirements and needs he have, it cannot be fulfilled with this small groceries. He has to change something else. Okay, he adopt the new technologies. He adopt the marketing changing environment, and suddenly Vishal Mega Mart is one of the renowned names. It's globally. Okay, everywhere. Not only Eastern region to Western region, you can find Vishal Mega Mart. It's running and doing very good business. Reliance outlet, that too. Reliance has its only smartphone business, but suddenly these things have been changed. Reliance has its own groceries. Reliance has its own mart. Reliance has its own ornaments. petrol pump, petrochemicals, fooderies, dairy businesses, everything he has started. If the Ambani families has started. Why? Because he understands the market. If I have to keep the grip in my control, then I have to catch the market nerves. Then I have to understand the market nerves. And the market nerves is every day the things is changing. Every day the perceptions of a human being is changing. And to retain in this particular business, I have to think in that particular way only. Okay? And that is why if you want to retain in this business, if you want to retain in any industry, you have to keep on changing. You have to think something separate from the track. Then only you can retain in the business successful. Okay? Come to the next slide, ma'am. Multi-dimensional, quite similar with dynamic nature. Management deals with managing work, people, and organizational operations. It balances resources, employees' performance, and organizational objectives stimulation simultaneously. This is called multidimensional. This is called multidimensional. Multidimensional means varieties of work, varieties of means what you can varieties of managing the work, varieties of work doing simultaneously. Okay, such as managing the work. Okay, managing the people. People means managing the employees, managing the organizational goal. What is the organizational goal of any management? To get after 5 years, any organization wants to retain in a good position after 5 years. Okay, that is the operational business, or it balances the resources. Okay, how to deal with the resources, that is one of the most important thing. Yesterday in my class I have already told you, utilization and allocation of the resources is one of the most important tool of management. पैसे को ध्यान से या रिसोर्सेस को ध्यान से एलोकेट करना और पैसे को समझदारी से उपयोगी करना, ये मैनेजमेंट का बहुत बड़ा आर्ट है. देखिए मैं आपको हिंदी में समझाता हूं. फर्स्ट करो, तुम्हारे पास सिर्फ 200 पड़ा हुआ है. फ्रेंड आपको रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा है कि अवनी सर चलो आज थोड़ा सा चाइनीज खा के आते हैं. कोई स्टॉल में जाएंगे, दोनों मिलकर चाइनीज खाएंगे. अब आपके दिमाग में दो बातें घूम रही है. क्या? कि अगर मैं चाइनीज खाने के लिए जाऊं तो 70 रुपीज 80 रुपीज पर प्लेट मेरा एक्सपेंस होगा. 2 प्लेट मिला के मेरा 160 रुपीज खर्चा हो जाएगा. ठीक है, अब इज्जत भी तो रखनी है. नहीं तो बोलेगा आयोनिजा बहुत कंजूस लड़की है, ये पैसा खर्चा करना नहीं चाहती है. होता है, ऐसा सिचुएशन आता है. अब तुम्हारे दिमाग में आ रहा है कि अगर मैं ये 200 रुपीज आज किसी भी तरह से कुछ ज्यादा सेविंग्स कर लूं तो कल मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा फायदा देगा. क्या है? तब आपने क्या सोचा कि चलो एक काम करता हूं, इसको कुछ दूसरा चीज आज ऑफर करता हूं और उसमें से ज्यादा पैसा मैं बचाने की कोशिश करता हूं. तो आपने फ्रेंड को कहा कि चलो आज चाइनीज नहीं खाते हैं, आज कुछ आइसक्रीम खा लेते हैं. क्योंकि आपको नर्व पता है कि या तो चाइनीज या तो आइसक्रीम, बिकॉज फ्रेंड्स आर वेरी मच means having a perceptions either to go for Chinese or for ice cream. तो आपने कहा चलो आज आइसक्रीम खा लेते हैं और तुरंत आपके दोस्त ने हाँ कर दिया, ये ओके चलो आइसक्रीम खा लेते हैं. तो आपने 20 रुपीज या 25 रुपीज की कुछ या फिर 30 रुपीज की आपने कुछ कॉर्नेटोस 2 परचेज किया. आपका 60 रुपीज बिल हुआ, आपका 140 रुपीज आपके पॉकेट में आ गया. वही अगर आप 80 रुपीज 160 रुपीज खर्चा कर देती तो 40 रुपीज आपका पैसा पॉकेट में बचता. तो आपने कितना बचाया? 140 रुपीज आपका सेविंग्स हो गया. ठीक है, अब आप उस सेविंग्स को किसी अच्छे काम पे लगा सकते हो. परचेजिंग नोटबुक, आइदर परचेजिंग सम व्हाट यू कैन सम एनीथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी मच यूजफुल फॉर यू. दिस इज कॉल्ड प्रॉपर एलोकेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेस. मैनेजमेंट हमें यही सिखाता है. ठीक है, डोंट बी स्पेंड थ्रिफ्ट. आप पैसे को उड़ाओ मत, खर्चा कीजिए, लेकिन थोड़ी समझदारी के साथ कीजिए कि कल जब इसकी जरूरत पड़े तो दोबारा मुझे उस आदमी के पास ना जाना पड़े जो मुझे पैसे दे रहा है ना. दिस इज कॉल्ड एलोकेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेस और यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ अ रिसोर्सेस माइंडफुली, टैक्टफुली. एम आई क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया? एग्जाम्पल समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
यस, ठीक है। अच्छा, नेक्स्ट मल्टी डायमेंशनल हो गया। द नेक्स्ट वन इज यूनिवर्सल प्रोसेस। व्हाट इज दिस यूनिवर्सल प्रोसेस? मैनेजमेंट प्रिंसिपल्स आर applicable in all type of organization such as business, school, hospitals, government offices, and non-profit organization NGOs, regardless of their size or purpose. Example: a hospital administrator and a factory manager both use planning, organizing, directing and controlling to achieve their goals. Very good. मतलब इतना सुंदर ये लिखा है। यूनिवर्सल प्रोसेस क्या होता है? यूनिवर्सल प्रोसेस not only stick to any particular industry or in any particular business, it is applicable to everywhere. Universal business or universal process is applicable to every individual. Suppose a rickshaw puller who is pulling his rickshaw every day, he is also maintaining this principle. As the example that I have given you just now, the same example is applicable to that rickshaw puller also. How? For example, today he only pull rickshaw and earn money of 500 for today on. Within this 500 rupees, he has to purchase rice, he has to purchase pulse, he has to purchase some vegetables for that particular day. आपको मालूम है ऐसे बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे जो हैंड टू माउथ जिसकी परिस्थिति है, जैसे रिक्शा पुलर हो गया या भी और भी को जो छोटे छोटे बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे बिजनेस करते हैं, उन क्या है वो डेली अर्न करते हैं और जितना अर्न करते हैं उसका 45% या 40% क्या करते हैं, परचेस करते हैं और दूसरे दिन सेविंग्स कर देते हैं। क्यों? उसे पता है कि एवरी डे माय बिजनेस विल नॉट रन स्मूथली एज इट ऑफ नाउ, so anyhow I have to do this savings, because this small savings can save my next day. Okay, suppose for example the next day it's very raining, heavily raining. Okay, it is next to impossible to get any customer who would prefer rickshaw. Okay, so that for that particular day he remain and stay in the house. So what will happen? Whatever the savings that he has done, what he has earned it yesterday, that saving only can give him to stay calm, to stay for that particular day. This is called the universal process, and it is not only applicable to this particular rickshaw puller, it is applicable to every industry, either it is in hospitals or school or colleges or any administration or any non-government organization. It is applicable to every individual. Okay, this universal process. How to control, how to plan, how to direct, how to means organize. This is essentials to implement for the next day. This is called universal process. Now, is it clear to you? Any doubts so
Yes,
far
sir.
you are
No, sir.
having? Any questions that comes to your mind, whether the things is not been clear to you, you can ask me. Clear? कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चंस जो समझ में नहीं आया है, या कोई ऐसा पॉइंट जो समझ में नहीं आया है? यूनिवर्सल प्रोसेस समझ में आया है? क्या हुआ मैम, आ गया समझ में यूनिवर्सल प्रोसेस क्या होता है?
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो ये हो गया यूनिवर्सल प्रोसेस। नाउ व्हाट इज द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट? ओके, मैनेजमेंट क्रिएट्स एफिशिएंसी। मैनेजमेंट क्रिएट्स एफिशिएंसी। देखो क्या है, थोड़ा सा पढ़ लो, समझ लो, Principle of management are general guidelines that help managers make better decisions and improve organizational performance. This is the simple definition of a management. To do or to organize properly any business, okay, you have to learn the art of management. Actually, management is an art, it's a skill. Okay, for example, I can give you a very good example of it. Our parents, I have already shared you one example. Say, for example, unknown guest or any relatives, end of the month arrived in our house, in our home. Now, what will we do? We just tell them that, please, sir, this is the last end of the month or end of the month. You come at 1 or 2 of any month. We cannot survive. Can you tell something like that to any relatives? No, it's not next impossible. These are our relatives. We may remain hungry. We may eat small. We may eat anything else, but we have to provide a good, what you can say, dishes to our guests or to our relatives to make them happy. So finally, our father, everyone's father who are working in any professions, they look after their wife, or they look after their mother. Our mother used to support the father by giving them or helping them, providing the small amount of money that she had saved from the from the money that has been provided by our father. ओके, तो वही छोटे छोटे अमाउंट्स जो देते थे पापा, वो जमा करके रखती थी, उसे खर्च बिल्कुल नहीं करता था. She never used to spend that amount of money. She keep very intact that amount. And when father want that amount, she, without any hesitation, she gives the whole amount to the father. Please, for 2 to 3 days, we can adjust. Here is the amount. This is called the management. This is called the art, and this is the skill. Okay. So, management increase the efficiency. Efficiency means effectively using the manpower. Using the manpower effectively. Okay, this is called efficiency, or utilizing or using the money effectively, or you can say using the resources effectively without waste. Okay, this is called increase the efficiency. It can only be happen to by knowing the managements. आप लोग कैटरिंग्स, आप लोग तो शादी ब्याह पार्टीज में जाते हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
एक डिफरेंस आपको पता है, जब पहले जमाने, मतलब पहले जमाना नहीं बोलता हूँ, आज से कम लगभग 5-6-7 साल पहले, जब शादीज में जब पार्टीज होता था, इस तरह का फूड कैटरिंग सर्व किया जाता था क्या? नहीं. आप भरपेट खाइए, वेस्ट कीजिए, नो प्रॉब्लम. आप एक जगह के 2 रसगुल्ला खा रहे हैं, आप एक खा रहे हैं, एक फेंक दे रहे हैं. आइसक्रीम 2 मंगवाए, आधा खाई, आधा पूरा फेंक दिया. धीरे धीरे ये जो वेस्ट, ये रिड्यूस हुआ. फाइनली कैटरिंग्स आ गया. कैटरिंग्स क्या है? आपको थोड़ी से स्मॉल अमाउंट क्वांटिटीज में आपको देगा, आप खाइए, खत्म हो रहा है, आप दोबारा मांगिए, आपको दोबारा प्लेट में दिया जाएगा. This is called the art of management. When you are traveling on a train, not in galat preposition. When you are traveling on a train, okay, what you find when you are asking for food and all, the caterings or the caterings, they provide you the food and all. Now you just look after the quantity. You just look after the quantity that the caterings are providing, the pantry cars providing to the customers. You will surprised to see very small amount or very small quantity of food being served. Why? Because they know that during this time, while doing the journeys, maximum passengers prefer to have their lunch some other thing apart from the lunch that we are providing. Say, for example, chicken, mutton, fish curries, and all. Okay, so just to they are eating, the customers are eating not to fill the stomach. Then the food that are being provided by the pantry car, they want the customers should eat small to limitize their hungriness, to limit their hunger. This is the intention of a pantry cars or pantry owners or catering services. मतलब क्या है कि वहां पेट भरने के लिए आपको खाना नहीं दिया जा रहा है, आपका वो जो आपको जो भूख लगा है उसका थोड़ा सा निवारण करने के लिए आपको थोड़ा सा प्रोवाइड किया जाता है ताकि कम से कम वेस्ट हो। ठीक है, तो ये होता है इनएफिशिएंसी। ठीक है, जितना आप इफेक्टिव तरीके से वेस्ट किसी भी फील्ड में आप जितना इफेक्टिव तरीके से आप काम कीजिएगा, ओके, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन उतना ही अच्छा और आगे जाएगा। आप जितना कम से कम वेस्ट कीजिएगा भविष्य के लिए आपका उतना ही ज्यादा सेविंग्स होगा। ठीक है, तो मैनेजमेंट का एक ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट प्रिंसिपल है टू इंक्रीज द एफिशिएंसी। फॉर एग्जांपल, a factory follows proper work method to produce more good in less time. Many industries are there, factories are there who follow a very general and proper rule that within the stipulated given time the work anyhow has to be completed. What will happen? The output remain a very good, efficiency remain high, workload remain high, and the output is also high. Finally, what happened? The organizations reach its maximum goal. So, management is an art to learn how to increase the efficiency. This is number one principle. Number two, ma'am, please go to the next slide. Help in decision making. Management also provide effective decision making. Management is also guiding making logical decisions, fair decisions. How? So that the problem solve, whatever the problems come, the management try teach us the best possible option to handle that problem. For example, manager analyzes the sales report before deciding to launch a new product. Of course, market survey, market analysis, market environment, customer preferences, after analyzing each and every point, then only any industry or any factories launch a new product. Now, I try to make you understand in a different way. Say, for example, any person wants to purchase a AC for their home. Now, what the parents or if simple normal family, what they used to do, they first of all go and talk about this matter with their friends whom they feel that this person can guide properly for purchasing of an AC. Okay, he will going to talk with that particular person, कौन सा AC मुझे लेना है, क्या इसका बेहतर है, इसका बैकअप क्या है, प्राइस क्या है, रेटिंग्स क्या है। ठीक है, आफ्टर दैट that particular person take a decisions or having some means communication with their wife. Okay, चलिए आज चलते हैं आज चलते हैं दुकान में, आज जाके आज ये परचेज करते हैं, चलिए देख के आते हैं। वहां जाने के बाद each and everything analyze separately. पहले वोल्टास चेक किया, इसका एसी कंडीशन कैसा है, फिर वर्लपूल गया, इसका क्या कंडीशन है बताइए, फिर एलजी देखा, इसका क्या कंडीशन है, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग एनालाइज किया। उसके बाद आईएफबी एक लोग इंडियन कंपनी है, उसका एसी कैसा है वो देखा, कैल्विनेटर उसका एसी देखा, टाटा का एसी देखा, सब कुछ देखने के बाद फाइनली जो प्राइस इफेक्टिव है, पॉकेट्स जिसे परमिट करता है, गुड क्वालिटीज है, रेटिंग जिसका अच्छा है, वो एसी लेके आता है। दिस इज कॉल्ड डिसीजन मेकिंग। This is called decision making. So management is an art to keep us or to make learn how to take our decisions when you need to take the decisions for any situations. Am I clear? Okay, it management provide a better guideline to take the proper decisions when you need it. Okay, that is why management is very much important. ठीक है, encourages innovations. Wow, fantastic. Encourages innovation. This is something new in the management. Management principle create an environment where employees are encouraged to share new ideas, improve existing methods, innovation, help organizations grow and remain competitive in the market. This is one of the most important thing. Ioniza, say for example, one day if you became an HR for any company, then this is the thing you have to learn: innovation ideas. Because when you are in any in HR field, then every day there is a possibility of meetings with your big bosses, with your executive, and your executive wants from you to give a proper presentations, innovative presentations for any particular product, for any particular branch, for any particular employees, for any development, so that it can meet the organizational goal, so that it can meet the demands. Prepare for that. HR is a very tough thing. HR is a very tough post to handle it. Every day, the management wants something new from you. Suppose the person working in a banking sector, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, or any other banks, every day at 4 p.m., this cluster manager come down from his cabin and asks every employees, what is the sales report? Give me the sales report. How many debit card you have sold today? How many credit card you have sold today? How many insurance policies you have created today? How many accounts you have opened today? Please give me the details of it. Because the cluster manager have to close every day's account on a particular point of time, because senior manager of any private bank or any personal bank or any public bank, they wants the full report. Based on that particular report, they will analyze the market conditions. Okay, so every day innovative ideas you have to take. Every day, what is the way I can improve, generate my marketing areas? How can I attract more and more customers to purchase my product? Okay, these are the things you have to understand. So management, another important principle of management is that management creates or management encourages to create something new, which is very much helpful for the organization to achieve the goal. Understood, Avniza? और एक और कस्टमर है क्या, सॉरी एक और स्टूडेंट है, शहना, क्या नाम है उसका? सुन रही हो? हेलो, लाइन कट गया क्या?
No, sir, I can hear. Actually, I thought you were asking from Shahana.
Okay, I'm asking from you also. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what will you do when you're going to become an HR for any company? Suppose they want something new presentation from you, some innovative idea from you. So what will be the answer? How will you going to defend this particular situation? Yes, Avanis, I wanted the answer from you. ले, सब शांत हो
Sir,
गया. For example, suppose, Anisa, please tell me how to increase sales for this particular product. Any innovative ideas, Anisa, you are having? चलो इसका एक पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन मुझे बना के दो, मुझे ये प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में सेल करना है, इसका सेल्स रेशियो गिरा हुआ है, इसको थोड़ा सा बढ़ाना है। चलिए आयन सर, आज शाम को, आज शाम तक मुझे इसका प्रेजेंटेशन चाहिए। इसी तरह से मैनेजर्स बोलते हैं, एग्जीक्यूटिव बोलते हैं
Yes,
मीटिंग्स,
sir.
बोर्ड मीटिंग में। तो व्हाट विल यू डू इन सच अ सिचुएशन, हाउ विल यू हैंडल दिस? जिस प्रोडक्ट का मार्केट गिरा हुआ है, जिसका कोई वैल्यू नहीं दे रहा है, इस मार्केट, अब इस प्रोडक्ट को मार्केट में लाना है, सेल्स को बढ़ाना है। अभी आपके
Sir,
पास
I'll come
इनोवेटिव
up with
आइडियाज क्या है?
yes, sir. I'll come up with some innovative ideas. Like sometimes even changing the packaging also helps. Like may or
समटाइम्स
like if it's a kids product, we can add some gifts so that they are encouraged to buy it.
ओके, वेरी गुड, नेक्स्ट।
Or we add like for example, sometimes they
बाय वन गेट
come
वन
up
फ्री,
with yes, sir, or 20%
कॉम्बो पैक्स।
extra and all that.
वेरी गुड, और एनीथिंग न्यू? आपने एक फिल्म देखा है? मैनेजमेंट में पढ़ने के लिए थोड़ा सा फिल्म भी देखना पड़ता है। आपने गोलमाल देखा है? गोलमाल
Yes, sir.
एकदम पुराना वाला नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, नया वाला गोलमाल जो था ना, पहला गोलमाल सीरीज का पहला गोलमाल, अजय देवगन, शर्मन
Yes, sir.
जोशी,
Yes.
तुषार कपूर एंड ऑल। ब्रिलियंट आइडिया। आपको अगर मतलब if you have gone with that particular movie, some means that particular movie create a very good impact in the minds, especially in the minds of a salesperson। क्या मतलब मतलब स्कूल मतलब कॉलेजेस के एक प्रोफेसर को क्या बेच रहा है? सर, आप अगर एक लाइटर खरीदते हैं फ्लैट फ्री, आप अगर ये खरीदते हैं गाड़ी फ्री। मतलब सोचो किस लेवल पे मैनेजमेंट को और इनोवेटिव आइडियाज को ले गया। मैं एक छोटा सा मैचेस खरीदूंगा, मुझे फ्लैट फ्री मिल जाएगा। ओ माय गुडनेस। मतलब जो राइटर मतलब जिस राइटर ने भी लिखा होगा, चलिए एक्टिंग तो चलिए ठीक है, जो राइटर ने इस कहानी को लिखा होगा, क्या आइडियाज है उसके दिमाग में। हैट्स ऑफ टू, जिसकी वजह से गोलमाल फिल्म मतलब इतना सिंपल मूवी था लेकिन इतना हिट किया है, करोड्स ऑफ रुपीज ग्रॉस कलेक्शन हुआ है, जिसकी वजह से रोहित शेट्टी ने पूरा सीरीज बना दिया। गोलमाल 5 भी आ रहा है, यानी इमेजिन इतना पसंद किया गया है। मतलब वो जो एक कैरिज्मेटिक था सेल्स का, वो बहुत सा मतलब ब्रिलियंट एग्जाम्पल यू कैन प्रोवाइड। किस तरह से मतलब कस्टमर्स को मतलब क्या कर रहा है, सोचो कस्टमर्स को इतना अट्रैक्ट हो गया कि खरीदा, पहले पहले खरीदा है, दे परचेस इट, उसके बाद इंस्टॉलमेंट दिए जा रहा है। तो सोचो हाउ दे प्रेजेंट sell that particular product, that is quite magnificent movie। Okay, this is called the innovative idea, something innovative idea and all। Okay, now encourage innovations तो हो गया। a company example देख लेते हैं। a company rewards employee who suggest creative ideas to improve product and services। ठीक है, वेरी गुड। तो कंपनी रिवॉर्ड्स उसी एम्प्लॉय को करते हैं जो कि सजेस्ट देते हैं how to improve new product and services। Okay, so the next principle of a management is to encourage innovative ideas, to encourage new innovations। Ma'am, next slide। Improve coordination। What is this improve coordination? To ensure that every department and every employees work together smoothly towards the common goal। This is called proper coordinations। Okay, of course every particular company have the single motto, anyhow I have to be, means anyhow I have to reach in this particular position if I want to retain in this particular market, if I want to stay in this market, in this competitive world, then every individual have to collaborate, should coordinate, should proper communicate, then only we can reach this particular goal। Of course na, not any single person, from top level managements to the lower level management to employees, everyone should had a proper communications. Then only the organization can reach its goal. So the next important principles of a management is improve coordination. Okay. For example, the marketing and production team coordinate to ensure products that are available when advertisements are released. This is the next important example of it. Example. Okay, ma'am, next slide. Now, fuels principles of management. Fuels have introduced 14 important principles of management, which is very much effective for the administrator, for any organization, or any marketings. Okay. Now, these 14 principles include planning, organizing, coordinating, decision makings, organizational efficiency, or innovative ideas, decision making, discipline, command, division of work, unity of work. Many are there. So, Fiole's 14 principles of management are followed every industries or in every important sectors. Okay, because based on these 14 principles, you can manage any organizations effectively. You can take proper decisions. You can have a proper coordinations with your employees. You can have a division of work. You can create a unity among. You can command. You can give discipline. You can keep the employees intact. You can, so that you can reach the organizational goals. Okay. Now, these 14 principles are very much effective for any business organization to achieve the goal successfully. Next slide. The name is Henry Fayol, Fayol. Now, Fayol's principles of management, number one is 14 principles में पहला है division of work, authority and responsibility, discipline, unity of command, unity of direction, subordinate to individual interest. देखिए, I am Niza, and to the next student who is listening to me, ये दोनों वर्ड में डिफरेंस क्या है पहले बताओ. यूनिटी ऑफ कमांड एंड यूनिटी ऑफ डायरेक्शन. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस टू, एंड व्हाई Fayol has used the word unity here? What is the reason behind using the word unity? वो सिंपल कमांड एंड डायरेक्शन लिख सकते थे, बट यूनिटी किस क्यों लिखा है? Yes, I am asking to both of you.
Sir, unity of command, like it was for. So like there is, matlab one, like there is a management, a group, like for example a company. So everyone reports to a manager or HR or.
Okay. Any other answer? Any other answer for this question? Anyone having any other answer? Yes, only Aniza is answering me. What about the other one? सिर्फ सुनना है क्या? हेलो, कौन कौन है? शहना, हेलो. ये क्या कॉफी पीने चली गई है क्या? शहना, तुम क्लास में हो कि नहीं हो? हेलो, आर यू देयर इन माय क्लास और नॉट? शहना मैम देख रही है आप? ये फोन ऑफ करके चली गई है कहाँ? कोई आवाज नहीं है मैम. इसको लग रहा है कि मजाक चल रहा है यहाँ पर. ये आगे से बैठ के सुन रही है, मैं क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूँ, उसका आंसर दे रही है, ये फोन ऑफ करके चली गई है कहीं. मैम इसको बढ़िया से दीजिएगा बाद में आप। जब हम इसको कम्युनिकेशन पढ़ाते थे ना मैम, ये आती थी तो मन डम, मतलब डम एकदम, जवाब ही नहीं देती थी, कुछ भी नहीं, और इतना टफ पेपर ले लिया एमबीए। चलो, Fuel's principles of management part 1, unity of command means, to some extent Agnes, you are correct. Unity of command means the command should be equally, the command should be equal. There is no bhav while distributing the commands, while directing the commands. Equal. It doesn't mean that one employee is coming late in the company and one is coming means on time in the company. The command is equal to both of them, that be punctual. If 9 means you have to reach in my company in 9 only. Okay, this is called unity of command. Then only the organization can reach its goal. If the command is not equal, means respective to any particular person, then the company will not grow. Okay, you are directing the commands to your subordinates, specific person, but you are neglecting to some others. You are not giving the same command to any other person. Then the organization cannot reach its goal. Everyone is equal. Everyone have to coordinate, cooperate, communicate. Then only the organization can reach its proper goal. Okay, so command, unity of command means the command, the management who has the control of this particular industry, they should, if he or she is means directing something, then it should be equally, it should be equal to everyone. Okay, this is called unity of command. And unity of directions means the same thing. Whatever the directions you are giving regarding the work, regarding the authority, regarding the everything, it should be equal. There shouldn't be any ups and downs, or there shouldn't be any high level, low level hierarchy. Don't maintain that hierarchy in the industry. If the industry maintain that particular hierarchy, then the company will lose it from the market. Okay, the company will drawn, the company will be wiped out. So if the organization wants his goal to be achieved, then these two important points are to be maintained. Follow unity of command, and there should be unity in direction or directions. Okay, what is the directions? One direction, achieve the financial goal, achieve that particular level where they want to see themselves. Okay, so equally they have to work for that. This is called unity of command, unity of directions. Let's take division of work. Proper division of work is also one of the most important thing in the management. If the work is not distributed properly among the employees or among the workers, then what will happen? Fail to meet the goal. Okay, so that is the reason the division of work is very much important. The next one is authority and responsibility. Responsibility should be distributed equally, and authority is also distributed to specific persons who the management feel that yes, this person is eligible to for my company. Okay, authority shouldn't be distributed equally among the workers. Authority सबको नहीं दिया जाता equally. हाँ, आप रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इक्वली दे सकते हो, लेकिन ऑथोरिटी सबके लिए नहीं होता है, उसका मिसयूज होता है। इसलिए ऑथोरिटी उनको दिया जाएगा जो कंपनी फील करता है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फील करता है, यस दिस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन इज केपेबल एनफ टू मीट अप माय एक्सपेक्टेशन, दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन इज गिवन द ऑथोरिटी। द नेक्स्ट वन इज डिसिप्लिन, इट इज इक्वल। मुझे तो नहीं लगता इस चीज को मतलब समझाना पड़ेगा आपको। अगर लाइफ में कुछ भी करना है, यू नीड टू हैव अ डिसिप्लिन इन योर लाइफ। जितना ज्यादा आप डिसिप्लिन रहोगे लाइफ में, उतना ही ज्यादा आप गोल अचीव कर पाओगे। यूनिटी ऑफ कमांड और यूनिटी ऑफ डायरेक्शन तो मैंने समझा दिया। सबऑर्डिनेट ऑफ इंडिविजुअल इंटरेस्ट, देयर शुडंट बी एनी इंडिविजुअल इंटरेस्ट एक ही इंटरेस्ट में आपको काम करना पड़ेगा, दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल गोल। एम आई क्लियर? सो दीज आर द
Yes.
फ्यूज प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, आज 7 पढ़ा है, कल नेक्स्ट 7 और पढ़ाऊंगा। ठीक है, आज तक जो पढ़ा है मैंने, आज कोई डाउट थे?
No, sir.
कोई क्वेश्चंस? एनीथिंग यू वांट मी टू रिपीट?
No, sir. It's clear.